Welcome to Chapter 10, Section 1, entitled Perimeter. To begin with, the key concept for perimeter of a square. The perimeter P of a square is 4 times the measure of any of its sides. So you're going to have a square, and each side, if one of the sides of a square is 3, that means all of the sides is 3. And when you find the fastest way to find perimeter of a square is to take 4 times one of the sides. So if you wanted to look at a formula, here's a square. If the formula, or if one of the sides is x, then the perimeter P is equal to 4 times x. So, here you go. The distance around any closed figure is called its perimeter. So, you could have a shape like this. And as long as you knew what all of those shapes were, the distance around this closed figure is the perimeter. So 3 plus 3 plus 5, 4, 1, 2, 2. So let's see, that's 6, 10, 15, 16, 17, 23. Adding all those up. All right, so finding the perimeter of a square. Remember from the key concept that it's 4 times the one side. So here, the perimeter of a base of the Eiffel Tower is shaped like a square, and each side is 125 meters per side. What is the perimeter? Well, perimeter formula is 4 times the side length. So 4 times the side length is 500. So when you answer this, the perimeter of the base of the Eiffel Tower is 500 meters. Here we go. Another story problem. A new discount store is being built with a base shape of a square, and each side is 75 feet. What is the perimeter of the base? Well, perimeter of a square is 4 times the side. So you can use S or X, whatever you want. And so for us, it's 4 times 75. The perimeter is 300 feet. That's the perimeter. All right, now it changes slightly for perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the lengths and widths. So let's make a rectangle here. Here's a rectangle. And by definition of a rectangle, if this is 3, that means this is 3. If this is 5, then this is 5. And so the perimeter is equal to the sum of the length and the widths. So length plus width plus width. Or 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Because look, there's 2 5s and there's 2 3s. So perimeter could also be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Right? This is the formula. I would make sure you have these formulas written down. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Well, here's the formula that we just got done writing down. The length is 7. The width is 4. 2 times 7, 2 times 4. Adding them together. Therefore, the perimeter is 22 meters. Here's another one. You could do perimeter equal to length plus width plus width. You can do it that way if you would like. The faster way, probably nicer way, will be if you take 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So, plug in the information. 2 times 12.6 plus 2 times 7.5. All right, and now do that multiplication. That's 15. 25.2 plus 15 should give us 40.2 inches. This is the perimeter. If you added them all up, you would still get up with 40.2 as the perimeter. Okay, so that's it. You're responsible for doing the CYUs, which are on page 524. They are exercises 1 through 4, all of them. And in class, you'll be working on these problems here. Good luck.